In this video, I will show you how to verify the integrity of game files on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. You can also do this on the Steam website. The steps are the same. Now, once you've done that and you're logged in, what you want to do first is come across to your games library. So if you come up to the top and click onto library, it's going to take you across to your games library. From here on the left hand side, you're going to see your current games. What you want to do is click onto the game that you want to verify the integrity for, and then what you can do is right click onto the game itself, and on this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click onto properties. What that's going to do is open up the game properties window, and from here, if you come to the left hand side, you want to click onto installed files. Once you've done that, you're going to see an option to verify this game's files are installed correctly. So what you want to do is click the button here to verify integrity of game files. Now what's going to happen is Steam is going to basically scan the files and see if there's any files that are maybe damaged or corrupted. So this is a great thing to do if you're having problems with the game. Maybe it's not loading or it keeps crashing or something like that. If Steam does find any damaged or corrupted files, it will attempt to repair them as well. And the process just takes a couple of minutes to go through and verify the integrity of game files. As you can see in this example, all 730 files have been successfully validated and there was no corrupted or damaged files. So that is how to verify integrity of game files on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.